All right. I think I'm live. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's December 6th. Need a green day, guys. Need a green day really bad. Good morning, guys. By the way, that account yesterday was lost. I had a chance to get out for like a $500 loss towards the end. And I didn't. Horrible. Oh shit, the market's about to open. I didn't realize. I don't even think that's where I want my orders. Another choppy open. Come on. Oh, thank God. Wow, top ticked it. Jeez, talk about luck. See, I always said I keep going up. I've never done 28 ticks. 27 is the most I've ever done. Ooh. Yesterday, one tick blew my account on Bullnox, and today, one tick saved me. Actually, I still would be in. Never mind. I wouldn't be stopped out yet. Would have been close. Really need a 15-minute opening to work too, and then I'll be down $500 in a week. If that's the worst thing that happens, I'll take it. I'm going to be very careful scalping on top step today. Don't want the same thing to happen that my Bullnox account experienced. How did I make 344? Oh, man. I was on a crazy heater earlier in the year, but I've never missed a payout. I just always have, like even this month, like I'm so close to payout. I was at payout with Bullnox. I'm very close to payout with Top Step. I'm very close to payout with my funded futures. So I could have secured like 4,500. One tick literally killed, but can't say just one tick because obviously I let a trade go $4,000 against me. But how did it all happen? I don't know. I guess just good streaks. I made $50,000 to $80,000 a month. And that just added up quickly. But second half of the year, since like May, I've only made like 100-something thousand. I made like 240,000 by May. I only have one top step, but I think I'm done with Bullnox for now, guys. Bullnox is just, I don't even know if I would have gotten paid because I've been copy trading. I don't know if I want to even bother with Bullnox. I think I'm going to switch over to Elite Trader Funding or something. I need a prop firm that I could copy trade to. I don't want to, I mean, I guess I could trade the 15-minute opening range on Bullnox, but separately, like I do on my funded futures. My funded futures I could copy trade. I am just too lazy to take the time to learn how to copy trade from Rhythmic to DX feed. And I know it's possible to do. I just haven't sat down and figure out how to do it. Why did Bullnox screw you? How many evals did I go through though? A lot. Hold on, guys. Actually, I have someone at the door, and I forgot to call them. Yeah, so yesterday I had no heat in my house. And yeah, so the guy just came, but it works now, so. Would you say it was easier to make a payout last time with Apex 1.0, 2.0 compared to 3.0? 1.0, of course. 1.0 was there's no rules. 1.0 Apex had rules in the PA agreement that they did not follow. Okay, you could do whatever the hell you wanted on Apex as long as you got to payout, as long as you were under 30% consistency, as long as you didn't flip, you got paid. Okay, everyone got paid. Didn't matter who you were, how much you were requesting. Then 2.0. 2.0 was the toughest for me because I couldn't do my opening range trade. They banned this trade. They banned, like legit banned it. I guess too many eyes were on it. I mean, right now the opening range trade is not as consistent for me for some reason. Maybe because I'm using a stop, whatever it might be. But legit, 40, 50 days in a row, I would win on that trade. Another thing is I didn't do 28 ticks. I did like 15 to 21 ticks. I started with 9 ticks on the open range trade. Legit 9 ticks. And I started to build it up. I use the volatility of the open to basically, if there's no range, like a clear range, I use discretion, but basically just use the volatility of the open to take advantage of. I don't like discuss it in detail because I got it banned once already. Why am I gonna, discuss it and tell everyone if that's the reality of prop firms, that they're gonna ban a profitable strategy once too many people do it, then my channel's never been about strategies anyway. It's just been about sharing the journey of the ups and downs and trading in general. I'm the background noise when you're trading your own strategies, right? I'm not here to teach anyone how to trade, or I don't even think you would survive this strategy unless you really, really, really believed in it. Like, this week has been brutal. Most people would give up and be like, you know what, move on. I would move on from it if I knew, or if I didn't know of how successful it can be. And when I'm trading this many accounts, and obviously it's a strategy that's not really that profitable. It's just profitable enough to get payouts. And when you have a lot of accounts, you get big payouts. But if you were trading your own personal account, you will need to use some big size to really make money with it. For me, it lost 3 times this week. I don't know if I did anything wrong. There's times where you lose and you could have done something better. And there's times where you lose and it's just the market, So this week, if the open is very choppy, you get caught both ways. Do you have a contact in Apex? No. You got approved hidden one and you didn't get paid? Or are you waiting to get approved? Do I use Top Step? Yes. Yep. I'll be trading Top Step as soon as I'm done trading the Apex accounts. I need one more profitable day on Top Step. So I could request a payout today if I have a green day. Let's pull it up here, see what we got. Well, I only have 3 days completed. Oh no, that's the eval. Yeah, so $2,000. So it's not gonna be a big payout, but payout nonetheless. Anything matters at this point. Everything counts. Approved but not yet paid. Interesting. Yep. Yeah, Top Step changed the rules as of today. But if you have accounts with Top Step, then you're not affected yet. But the new accounts starting today will be with the new rules, which is okay. I mean, it's $5,000 per account. I'll never be affected by that, so I'm not worried. Some people will be, but again, I'm not. It doesn't affect me one bit. And if it doesn't affect me, then I don't really have an opinion on it. At the end of the day, it's about individual, like if you're like Lanto or Kane, yeah, it's gonna affect you. But the reason why is because people are becoming too profitable and prop firms just can't afford to pay out people. In those amounts. And then there's people that, just gamble. On Top Step, you got to realize there's no daily max loss. And you have $4,500 worth of drawdown on a 150K account. So imagine you just keep buying accounts and eventually you're going to hit like a $20,000, $30,000 trade, right? Eventually it will happen. So people just do that. Does big payouts bring a lot of business in? Depends, Perry. If they're on social media, if they're not on social media, think about all the Apex payouts. Most people are not on social media. Like you got Kane, me, Matt. Who else is in who's made $500,000 on Apex and that's on social media? Anyone? Live Mic Trader, Kane. That's the two people I know. Oh, we got 9:45 already. Oh. I'm in my funded futures. Oh my God, what kind of slippage was that? Come on, baby. I'm already up 200 on my funded futures. Got in a little late there too. Was not paying attention to the clock. Come on. Come on. Come on. So close. There we go. Much needed. Wait. Okay. I was going to say. Damn. Should have not had my target at my funded futures yet. Could have used this extra win. Patrick voted for me. Let's go. All right, guys. At the end of the day, end of the week, I'm down $500 after the most brutal week of the month and a half. Since end of October, this is the worst week I've had, and I'm down $500. I'll take that happily. Green on my funded futures. Let me see what my percentage is on my funded futures. What is my percentage of the biggest day? 33%. All right, we're getting it down, guys. We're getting it down. How much did I make today? I made $400 today. Still got a ways to go, but I am so happy to be down only $500 in a week. See, drawdown's at 2,000 again. Thank goodness. All right, next week's gonna be a good week. We'll get the payout. I have the 25K milestone account, and once I get a payout with that, I am going to get more. I'm gonna get 3 milestone accounts. All right. Let's see if we can make some money on Top Step. I'm nervous to scalp now after yesterday. Let's see if we could get a trap. All right. I'm over yesterday's loss. All right. What a clean move today. All-time highs. At least today it's moving, unlike yesterday. Wow. Could have trailed. But I really needed a clean day like today. I have to wait for a pullback. Can't chase this yet. It's the last thing I want to do when I just need $200 to get a payout. Dun-dun-dun-dun. All right, can we maybe get a trap here? Come on, pull back. Are you guys green, red? Good job, Harry. When I started trading futures the very first time, I was trading NQ at $12,000. That is crazy. So like in a few years, we're gonna be trading NQ at 30,000. So like the movement has to be bigger now, right? Maybe not. I wonder if the scale is bigger now. The overall movement. Like since it's more expensive, is 10 points the same as it was when it was at 12, 13,000? Does it move the same? Come on, flush. Got the trap here, so I'm gonna go long. Got news in 2 minutes, 1 minute. What kind of news we got? See if it moves at all. Michigan. I don't know if that moves it at all. We'll see. We shall see. I got to work again today. But yesterday, honestly, working was good for me. After losing that account, first lost account in a month and a half, and was at payout. It helped me clear my mind. When you do photo booth, you get to talk to a lot of people, and your mind just is not thinking about trading. I gave one guy a couple extra prints, so he brought me a beer. It was a bunch of accountants and lawyers, like a huge lawyer accounting firm. I was at $4,050. And I was one tick away from hitting the target. Literally one tick. It went to 21,555, and my target was 21,555 and a quarter. And I would have never been in. And then the market started to dump. This week, 2 days in green, 3 days in red. Same thing for me. I'm 3 red days, 2 green days. So thankfully, I'm down only $500. Thankfully, my risk reward is 1-to-1 now per day, and also the 15-minute open range trade did not lose once this week. Thankfully, the 15-minute open range trade was 100%, 5 for 5. Which is unusual because usually the 15-minute loses more than the 9:30 open. I don't know who has who's got a good discount right now. I don't know. Apparently, my funded futures prices are gonna go up. I heard that. I don't know. Earn to trade is $68. Interesting. Their eval is just super long. Okay, it's getting a little tight. Yeah, I use QUANTOWER for Apex. Do you have Rhythmic accounts or do you have Trader8 accounts? You could definitely connect it because most people use QUANTOWER nowadays. You could definitely do it. You're doing something wrong. Should be straightforward. What platform do you use? Okay, we have two trap levels. The trap here. Please don't bounce yet. How do you have QUANTOWER and Apex? What do you mean? You could just log into QUANTOWER. Download QUANTOWER. If you want to get a license for QUANTOWER, you can use my code Alpine. It's 10% off. With the license, you get more features and you can log into multiple prop firms. Uh, 50% margin. So whatever I have the balance, I take 50% out and I keep 50%. Money is more important than cushion for me at this point. Especially the way I'm trading top step. Maybe I'm going to start taking the 15-minute opening range trade on the top step as well. It's been working really well on my funded futures. Come on, pull back. Trying to be patient here for pullback to the trap level, and I just don't get it now. That's how you get FOMO. This would have been perfect. This would have been If it just went to 590, I would have been in. But no. No, I don't have a personal limit. So I got to be careful. Do you think anyone can make it in trading if they stay disciplined and consistent? No. I don't think everyone could make it. I think people that do it for money, they can't. If you trade just for money, you're not going to make it. You'll get so tired of losing and getting beat up that you're going to just give up and move on. You got to love the process. Exactly. Like you got to love like the challenge. You got to love the markets in general. Like you have to be passionate about it. Like remember I lost 13 grand in 2 days of real money. I was so devastated because it was, weeks of work gone in 2 days. And I was like, I'm done. I quit. And it was on a Friday. I was back at it on Wednesday. I had to refund the account at that time. So that's why I didn't start my... If the account was fine, like with stocks, if you go under 25,000, you got a refund. So I got down to like, 23,000, whatever. So then I had to send money in. So I sent it on Monday. They got it, on Tuesday, midday, and then Wednesday I was good to go again. And it was worth coming back. I made most of that profit back. Most of that loss back quite quickly. But if I didn't have passion for it, I'll quit and I'm done. It's hard to say. I don't have an exact time frame. This is annoying. Like now I'm getting just annoyed at the market because you're trying to be patient. You're trying to do the right thing. And as soon as you wait for a pullback, now it's going to reverse like it did yesterday, right? So now it's like no trade zone. Now I should be shutting off the stream and charts and moving on with my day. Because now the market's just not doing what I want. And it's just not worth it sometimes. No, I'm relaxed. I'm just saying, is it worth trying to trade this right now when it's not doing anything what I wanted to do? And I'm going to force a trade when I could just be done and be very happy with the day and enjoy the weekend. That's also part of it, trying to get away from the screens when we can. I did the best. I reset my slump when I went to DR, and I only traded for a half hour a day. I'm not stressed. No, I don't stressed. don't really feel stressed from trading, to be honest. Unless it's like a quick burst of stress like we had on Tuesday, when like the orders didn't go through and then I was in double orders and then I got into reverse positions. It was a QUANTOWER issue. Michaela, that's nice. Trading is very, very difficult. So the biggest thing is like the hardest thing and the biggest thing we have to do is we have to separate the two. We have to separate our personal lives with trading life. Like if we get stressed and pissed off at trading, we can't take it out on someone else or on something else. Like if I were like yesterday at my job working, like I couldn't be, I got to talk to people and stuff and I got to interact. Do you think like if I was pissed off, like it would be a good thing? No, you just forget about it. Like move on. It's the most challenging part for me right now when it comes to trading. And I'm very happy to say this, is having to share the bad days with the internet. That's the worst feeling. It's not the losses, but having to share the losses. That's as extreme of difficulty as it gets for me. And it's not even that bad. I'm past that stage too where I don't really care. If you want transparency, then obviously you're gonna understand how it works. And most people go through the same thing. They just don't show it. I mean, that's where you could join Discord, the communities, and make friends. I mean, trust me, like, I got through my worst days in trading because of my friends, my trading buddies. I have 2 or 3 friends who have been with me since the beginning for 7 years. Like, we went on the same journey. And we still trade to this day. One of my friends trades exactly the same way I do. Opening range trade, 15-minute opening range trade. We talk every day and when I was getting my ass kicked, he's the first one I vent out to, and when he has a bad day, he could vent to me, and we support each other, and we laugh sometimes because obviously sometimes it's like an impulse. You're like, what the hell was I thinking? Like for me yesterday, like, what was I thinking, right? Like you think about it, I was down like right before I lost the account, the market bounced and I added perfectly. I kept adding and getting out. So my average was pretty good yesterday. Even though the market kept going down, it did spike up a little bit. I was down like $1,000 in a day. Even like $800 right before I lost the account. Just too stubborn to like sell it. I was like, oh, maybe it'll bounce. Maybe it'll bounce. I had 5 contracts, you know, $800, 5 contracts. It's gonna recover quickly. And then it bounced and just took a big dump, and I lost. Oh yeah, I was with Trade Like Mike. Trade Like Mike he's a great trader, but very hard to learn from. Like, he doesn't really show enough. Mike's not from Jersey. He was from Long Island. I don't know how he's doing now. I haven't seen anything from him. No, not far. Depends. Could be 3.5 hours, or it could be 30 minutes, depending on what time of day you go. Yeah, his community was alright. I was in MIC. I was in Investors Underground. I was in Bearable Traders. I've been to a lot of chat rooms. I spent a lot of money on chat rooms back in the day. And that's why I realized. That's why like people ask me like, "Oh, you should teach." I'm like, no, it doesn't work that way. Like, no matter. The best thing I learned in the chat rooms is that everyone that is profitable trades their own strategy. They didn't learn it from anyone else. They just trade their own. If they learned from someone else, they had a mentor, they still trade differently from that mentor. It's just they learn more of the psychology and stuff from the mentors, but like the actual trading style strategy they developed on their own. And also, I learned to watch what people do and not what they say. That's another huge thing. Don't listen to what people say. Watch what they do. And that's why all these ICT videos and all that, it's cringeworthy to me because you never see any live trades. You only see like talking about the same thing. Like Casper SMC just repeats the same bullshit over and over again for views. Give him credit. Great content creator. It's not easy to repeat the same crap over and over again and get millions of views. But he does it. Makes a ton of money probably without having to trade. So I'm not bashing him for doing it. I'm just saying stuff like that doesn't work for us as traders. Any discount bull knocks? Not right now. As of yesterday, at least. Let's see if they changed. And only 75% off on Bullnox. I don't know. I wonder if the prop firm discounts are going away. I feel like they're less and less common. Um, 2K payout with Apex on 50K account would have to be at 4,100. Is this the reversal? That's the question. I'm going to try to buy the dip. You know, and we still got trap levels. It's just I want to be patient for. Because every time we make new highs, that's not a sign of reversal yet to me. Until we start making newer lows and new lower highs. For now, we're still making new highs. So it could just be stop hunting because people are placing their stops below like the previous lows. Still nothing. Nice numbers today. Down only $500 in the week. I'll take it. I'll take it. Just need a good week next week and Snake. Snake. Don't worry about that. Usually doesn't move the market. Drink your water, guys. Earn your free valuation account. Wealth charts, Apex beta testing. Man, this sucks. Started off nice and now it's just a grind. I'm scared too long. I'm only scared too long because of yesterday. I kept longing the highs and eventually it reversed so hard that I couldn't get out. All I need is $200. So I'm going to be patient. Really just with Apex, you should not cancel your evals. There's no reason why you should be canceling your evals in the first place. But moving forward, don't ever cancel your evals with Apex. Simple as that. And you'll never have to worry about a discount. I have 19 accounts. I don't know why I don't have 20. Like, why don't I just pass another eval? I don't know. But is this the move? NFP was chop. Trading NFP is deadly. The orders just don't go through, and I had a friend that shorted the target, went through the target, didn't get filled, and reversed, and he lost the eval. Was it? I didn't see it, but I just know the orders don't go through for the most part, unless you wait. All right. We made it lower. High. Can we make a lower low? Yeah, why is this? I don't know why the stream lags. Like, I'm watching my stream and it just goes behind on time. I need like an IT person to figure that out. All right. Kind of want to short this, but at the same time, I don't. Looks weak. 67% of people are short on Top Step X. It's also not a good sign. Sweet unlock. What's going on? Good day today. Down $500 on the week. I'll take that every time I have a horrible horrible week. I'll take that. See, Perry? Oh, well, I don't know what to tell you guys. Just so hard to get a trade in. I'm just gonna do it. There we go. Had to do something because just not going down. And once it starts going down, then it's gonna be too late. But the fact it doesn't give me a single trap is annoying. When I don't look for them, they happen all the time. All right, halfway there. I'll probably just request a payout. If I get to it, I might just request it. What? $1,100 is $1,100. Right? And then I'll try to grow it again. Oh, camera turned off. It's been like an hour. I thought it was gonna be fine for the rest of the day today, but I guess not. camera out of focus? Is the camera focused even today? Gotta move it closer, I think. No, I've never done MNQ on Top Step. All right, it's getting a little heavy here, so it fails to go higher. A nice deep pullback would be nice. Just to get a couple of scalps. I'll probably go for like $40 scalps. Gleb, thank you. It's a red week, but overall I'm happy. Just gotta let the odds play out. Like, I was nervous about today because if today was a red day, I would only had less than $1,000 in drawdown. No, there's no rules against scalping. The biggest thing with Apex is being within 5-1 risk reward if you're gonna scalp. Which with 30 ticks, you could risk 150 ticks. It's not that bad. That's actually pretty big stop loss. D, that's not a bad idea. Do whatever you're comfortable with. For sure, it's easy to blow. I mean, these accounts, I haven't lost any in a month and a half since end of October, and still can't get a payout, but at least I got 2 payouts, but nothing major. It's just been up and down. I just need a really good week. Like, I've had really good weeks, but they're good weeks after I had a bad week. So I need a good week next week. Because this week was bad, but not terrible. And if next week is good, then I could get a payout on my birthday. No. I haven't had a blown account since October on Apex. I just lost my first funded account yesterday on Bullnox. Scalping. So it kind of turned me off to scalp. So I'm going to scalp here a little bit, but just being super patient. Yesterday I overdid it, and I was doing the giveaway, so I left an order out and just got caught in the reversal. Scalping is great until you get caught. And it's hard to use a stop loss in scalping because that's what makes scalping great. It's like if you have a wide stop, then your win ratio is so high. My birthday is on Friday the 13th. Great. I am so sleepy. Why? Didn't get enough sleep? Yeah, I'm gonna go make some hot chocolate. I hate this cold. It's so windy out. So cold out. Can't wait till spring. Like, I'm glad I'm streaming because if I wasn't streaming, guess what? I would be either in my bed or in my couch laying with the laptop trading like a bum. At least with streaming, I have to sit at my desk, so I don't feel as... All right, is this the trap? Yeah, I'll take that as a trap to start. Let's see. Let's see if we're gonna get a push. Come on, baby. Push. I don't know why I'm scalping for $100 when I should be scalping for like 50. Oh, reminds me of yesterday, guys. This reminds me of yesterday. Oh. Deja vu. Same exact pattern, same exact scenario. Maybe a few more ticks today, but this is gonna fall apart now. Maybe. Maybe not. Come on. Come on. There we go. Come on, man. One tick. Now it's really deja vu. Yeah, she's range bound till she's not. Like yesterday. Well, now that was one tick now. So now it's really feeling like yesterday. I'm $50 away from payout. There we go. Thank God. All right, I'm going to go make myself some hot chocolate. I need it for my throat. Finally, sell off. Put the heat on. I don't know what to do with this camera, guys. Fuck. Yeah, I got out just in time. Let's see. Wouldn't be surprised to see a recovery here, but I think we're going to go lower. Oh, man, Slade, that sucks. How'd you break the rules? How much? Like by a lot, or is it? They are very strict with this risk management thing. What the hell? We're going to just recover this? All right. Here she goes with the trap. Screw the shorts. I wouldn't just go for 50 days. I don't know. I feel like they're going to screw you. I would try to trade as normal as possible. But that sucks. Yeah, the risk management thing is really screwing a lot of people. That seems to be the big reason for denials now. And I thought they were supposed to do it up front, where you don't even have to request a payout. You should know that you broke the rules. 4-1 is allowed. It's 5-1 is allowed. You can't lose 30% of your drawdown. So on a 50K account, if you're trading a 50K account, you cannot lose more than 750 in a single trade. Now, I don't know, like I lost 768 2 days ago or yesterday, whatever it was, maybe yesterday, because I had slippage. I think it was Wednesday. So hopefully they don't deny me for that. Yeah, you can't be down, exactly. Like if you're unrealized, but I wonder if that, yeah, Slade, did you realize the trade or did you not close the trade? Oh, and the green, see? So they are checking for that. Wow, what a move here. Jesus Christ. Most people are still short. Yeah, I knew it was unrealized. I just wondered if they actually check. I also think it might be worse if it comes back to green. If you don't realize the trade, then it shows them you didn't use risk management. You would have just let it go against you even more. Versus if you realize the loss, maybe at like $800, they might give you more of a leeway. Like, listen, like maybe it was slippage or he still stopped out, right? So use some risk management. Versus if you don't stop out and it comes back in your profit, that means you didn't have a stop and you just let it go. Howard, I don't know. That's why I don't like the 5-to-1 rule at all. It should just be the 30%. Because the 5-to-1 rule is so silly. Because as a trader, we could have multiple strategies. So how am I going to trade a different strategy with different parameters? If one strategy has a different risk level. Like if I'm risking 750 on my opening range trade to make 250, right? That's within 5-to-1. But then afterwards, let's say if I wanted to make $50 to risk and I'm risking 250 on the trades, they're going to say it's improper risk management because I'm making $50 and I risk 750. Because one time I risked 750 and now I'm making only $50 profit. Because there's no way they go through every single trade. There's just no way. That's why I don't scalp on Apex. I don't complain about it too much. Like I'm just saying it sucks, but I'm not going to complain about it that they should change it because at the end of the day, I have options. I could trade with Bullnox and scalp. I could trade with Elite Trader Funding and scalp or Tradeify and scalp, right? So it's really not something to complain about. It's just a rule I don't like, and that's why I adapt and I don't scalp outside of my opening range trades. Cam is out. Cam is gonna be the next giveaway. Or it's gonna go through my window into a dumpster. Oh man. Camera, please. At least tell me what's wrong with you. I'm pretty tech savvy and can't figure this one out. It was fine, and then I took it on the gig, and now it's not fine. Like, what changed? Apex not gonna change. They know. They know what people break and what they, minimize payouts with. We already got the 8 days. Bullnox or Apex? I think Bullnox is easier now. I think Bullnox is slightly easier. But that's taking one account to one account. With Bullnox, you can't have 20 accounts. You can have 11, but to get to 11 is very difficult. So, yeah. If you take one account, Bullnox is easier. But to get a big payout, Apex is easier. Nah, I'm probably going to take a break from Bullnox. I have one account left after losing yesterday, and probably going to switch to someone else for now. I'll be back with Bullnox, but obviously going to have to take a different approach. Maybe I'll find a way to trade Bullnox separately. We got the payout locked in, guys. Payout is locked in. All right. It's a fat payout of $1,150. Might have to get my retirement party going soon. Yeah, I just took a long. I'm going to be done. I'm going to take the payout from this account, pay for the account. And then I'm going to have $1,100 left in drawdown, and I should be able to keep trading it. Yes, hit the likes, guys. Hit the likes if you could. This is going to be my 20th month in a row with the payout. Small one, but I didn't really spend any money except on like this account. I didn't spend any money in December. On the account, so straight profits. I might buy more Top Step accounts. Maybe I'll do Top Step Rhythmic. I don't know yet. Yeah, 20 months is a long time to not miss a payout. But obviously there's been like 3 months of just $2,000 in payout. So not every month has been crazy, but yeah, I'm not going to be affected by Top Step's new rules yet. So use some of that money and get a new camera. I don't need a new camera. I just got to use my cheap camera. I got cameras for days. I actually own probably 10 cameras, just so you guys know. In case I ever want to start an OnlyFans. And I want to be on the... Yeah, it's definitely overheating or something. There's something... There's definitely something happening with the camera. This is a $3,000 camera. What setting could be setting it off? Okay, now it's on picture mode. So you see that box thingy. We don't want that. I ain't got a clue, guys. I don't know. It's definitely not sleep. Definitely doesn't go to sleep. Definitely gets hot. If you take $1,100 payout, it will only leave you with $1,100 in drawdown. Yeah, of course. I have not gotten down even close to that, so I'd rather take the money, pay for the account. Well, there's no battery in the camera. Well, actually there is, but it's on the charger. I would have to go behind it. On the screen, it's going to say what causes it to turn off. All right, we're getting a sell-off. Do we have any more? Do I want to touch Top Step? Yeah, I know it's not a big drawdown, but neither is 2,000. Money is more important than drawdown, because if I lose the account, then at least I made profit on the account. So it's how's his money? How's his money, baby? And I could get more accounts. I always struggle with Top Step. So kind of just, I mean, the way I trade my funded futures, if I trade a Top Step like that, I'll be doing pretty well. I'm up 3,200. on my funded futures account. But it doesn't matter. I'm trading my funded futures account only to get below 20%, but I can't take more money out. So it's like I'm trading for free. It's kind of like annoying. Anyone know what the payout is on the let's see. See, I'm trading with my funded futures and I don't even know. I don't even know the phases. Okay, Milestone. How come I can't see the other Milestone accounts? I hate that my funded future just logs you in, and how do you go to the main website? Like, can you go to the home page without being logged in? All right, here I am. Milestone. Oh, they don't have 25K Milestone anymore. Oh, what happened? So now I don't know what my rules are for my account. Milestone account, funded accounts. It's great. I don't know how it works. Does anyone know? I catch that dip now. I was watching not the charts, but I was watching my accounts. Yeah, it's stages. I just don't remember what's the payout on 25K. Okay. Trading terminal. No. Target profit. So I'm already past my target. It's just I had one bigger day. It's at 33%. Worst trade 0. Today was 400. 750,000, 1250, 12. Wait, I'm only gonna get $750? Oh man, that's a bummer. I guess I'll have a lot of cushion. Yeah, I'm on the milestone. One sec. My dad's calling. Every phase after you get a payout, you start over at 0? No way. Oh, what a bummer. Oh, what a joke. So I'm literally working for free now. Well, had I known that, I would have traded them differently. Oh well, that's why you got to read the rules. Can't blame anyone but myself. My funded futures milestone accounts. I don't know. I think I think it's time to call it a week. Cameras off. Where I offered a live account with Apex, I was never offered a live account with Apex because I never made enough profit in a single account. Ooh, we got a donation. I once passed the top step account and did pull out money once, but then I lost that account, and since then I am struggling to pass top step. Always trying to rush it. Yeah, top step is for sure one of the more difficult evals. That's why I'm not always pushing top step to the max with 5 accounts. It's really the eval stage that kind of makes it difficult, and then it makes trading the funded account more stressful because you know that it's hard to pass evals. So it's like a mental thing. And it's the trader too, of course, but it adds more pressure for sure. Yeah, Apex evals are a joke. At least the 50Ks. Why do I find top step evals more difficult? Because you have to be consistent for a few days. And then with evals, once you take a loss, it's just harder to like recover. Because the thing is with evals, maybe for you guys it's different. For me, evals are a waste of time. When I'm trading evals, I'm wasting my time. There's no other way to explain it. It's a waste of time for me, right? So you try to get through it quicker, and you also don't focus on it as a primary account. You usually take it, secondary trades on it. And that's what happens. Do I want to take this? No, I'm not going to take it. I'm gonna call it a day. I'm gonna be done because I'm happy with the week because the week was horrible, and to be down only $500 in the week is a blessing. 3 losing days, 2 green days, $500 of profit on green days, $500 loss on red days. So it's could have been a lot worse, could have been a lot better, but I'll take it. I'll enjoy the weekend, and then hopefully next week, it's my birthday week. We have a green week. I want to do some giveaways, so we need a green week. And if we have a green week, then I'll get a big payout, and then should be fun. My birthday's on Friday next week. It's the Friday the 13th, so I am gonna be a little nervous trading, especially if I'm at like payout levels. If I'm at like payout levels. Am I turning 24? No, unfortunately not. I'll be 26. Getting old. Camera's off again? Or am I delayed on the stream? Oh. Yeah, I'll be 26. Yep, 26. I've been DJing for 20 years, but started DJing when I was 6 years old, you know? No, I'm not 26. I could probably pass for a 26-year-old. I look a lot younger than I am. I'm going to be 36. No, if I created an algo, it would be instantly banned by prop firms. You can't be a streamer and have an algo. It's just not going to work. If you create an algo as a streamer and you give it to people, guess what? Right away, it gets banned. I thought you were 30 something. Well, you are right. I am 35. Not 36 yet. $35. It's a nice number. It was the best year of my life. Financially, obviously. And just a lot of good things happened this year. But I think I'm going to call it, guys. I don't know. I feel like no point of staying on, and then if I didn't have work, I would stay on longer, but I have work, so it's like, you know how it is. I want to relax for a little bit. Watch some TV. There's some Formula One stuff I want to watch. It's the last race of the week. Of the season. And I'm big onto Formula One, so I want to watch all the interviews and stuff, and really not much else to trade. I did well on all my accounts today. I got my payout with Top Step here secured. I got 2 more accounts with Apex I could trade, but I'm not going to touch them. And Make more money tonight. At least I know tonight I can't lose money. Well, I should never say can't lose, because with a business, if something breaks, you lose money. So, all right, guys. I'll see you all on Monday. Again, birthday week. So if we have a good start to the week, we'll be doing a lot of giveaways next week. Hamilton's retiring? No. Hamilton's going to Ferrari. He will be with Ferrari. Hopefully he regains his spark, because he's bored and he's tired of Formula One. He's burnt out. He wanted to go and end his race last week. He literally said, guys, can I just go into the pits and retire the car? And the team told him, no, you can't. You get a penalty for that. I don't know why they would get a penalty. You could just say something's wrong with the car, but next year, Formula One is going to be very interesting. I wonder who Checo's going to be replaced with. For Red Bull needs to replace Checo. He's horrible. He's done. I love the guy, but he's just terrible. Maybe Sainz should go to Red Bull. But he's going to Williams. Nah, Ricardo is just a character. I don't know. I don't like him that much as a driver. I don't know. He's good, but he's not. Definitely got to get some young talent. But yeah. Yeah, Kubica was amazing. He's a very skilled driver. Crazy accident, though. I don't know how he didn't die, but he had a crazy accident in Formula One, too. But the rally accident that he had was... But Kubica said that driving a Formula One car is so easy compared to rally cars. Which is true. Rally drivers are the best drivers in the world. It's not Formula One drivers. The rally guys are just fearless monsters. Formula One is, the car, and it's the engineering and stuff. Formula One is a team sport versus rally is the driver and the pilot. So it's still a team sport, but it's not so much the car. The cars are pretty much equal. All right, guys. I'm going to go get... It's 11:30. I could still go get my Taylor ham. Yeah, Ken Block was amazing. Some great footage. All right, guys. I don't know who's live, but you guys will have to go watch someone else, because I am out for the week. Again, down $500 in the week. I'll take it with how bad this week was. All right. I'll see everyone Monday. Be good. Enjoy your weekend. And yeah. I have not checked out wealth charts. I don't know if I will. I'm not too... Am I in New Jersey? Yes. North Jersey. So it's Taylor ham. It's not pork roll. All right, guys. Love you. Thanks for tuning in. Sorry for a short stream, but I got to work and I'm done trading for the day for sure. Need to end it on a positive after yesterday. Later, guys.